Alright, so a while back, I came over here and filmed a Nordine and this old Rude, or Rheem air conditioner. Rheem or Rude. And I filmed them. And it turns out that Nordine, or Airflow, whatever it was made by, got replaced with a brand new Goodman. This thing is brand spanking new. And here's the Rheem running. Judging by the color, it's a Rheem. That thing's working really well. And the data for this is unfortunately gone, but let's get the data on this brand new Goodman. And we'll see if it's a 2020 unit or not. Yep, 2020. And it's a 3-ton. Never seen a 3-ton this small before. I really do like that fan blade. I don't think it's been running though. It's got an Emerson scroll compressor. They're both straight cools, but here's this Rheem running. Has a hacked up fan motor, unfortunately, and there's like no air coming out of that thing. Oh yeah, it's clogged with shit. But yeah, brand new 2020 Goodman. Thanks for watching.